Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Giovanni Saputra from class B. In this video, I be explaining AIT glossary experiment which is a collection of 100 important terms in the field of information technology arranged from A to Z. Thank you. Algorithm definition. An algorithm is simple a series of clear and structured instructions for a computer to solve a particular problem. Category programming. Simple sentence. Google search algorithm can find the information you need in the blink of an eye. AP Application Programming Interface Definition: a set of rules that allow two different applications to action that and chat with each other. Category Programming Simple Tense: the Weather app on your phone use the BMKG AP to show daily weather forecast. Authentication definition: the process of checking user identity before granting access to the system. Category security. A simple sentence: we have to pass authentication using a password and UTP code to log in to our bank account. Artificial intelligence definition: the ability of machine or computer program to learn from data and make human-like decisions. Category programming. Example sentence: AI on TikTok learn from the video you frequently watch to make recommendation. Data analysis definition: the process of checking and drawing conclusions from data to help decision making. Category information system. Example sentence: the marketing team uses data analysis to see whether the leads and free interest less or not. Bandwidth definition: maximum network capacity to send data in certain time. Category networking. Example sentence: the boarding house bandwidth is only 10 Mbps, so when streaming with lots of people the connection immediately slow down. Backup definition: a copy of important data stored elsewhere so that it can be recovered if the original data is lost. Category security. Example sentence: always back up your thesis assignment to Google Drive and external hard disk after you finish working on it. Big data: a super large and diverse data set that is difficult to process using conventional method. Category database. Example sentence: e-commerce companies analyze big data from millions of customers to find out what product or trading. Blockchain definition: distributed data logic technology where each block of information is securely linked using cryptography. Category security. Example sentence: blockchain technology is used in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin so that transactions cannot be forged. Business intelligence definition: the process of converting raw data into useful Information to help business decision. Category information system. Example sentence. Store manager use business intelligence to see which products are selling best this week. C. Cloud computing. Definition: computing service such as server and data stored that are accessed via the internet without the need for your own hardware. Category information system. Example sentence. Group achievements are stored in cloud computing so that all members can access them from their respective homes. Cybersecurity. Definition: the practice of protecting computer systems and data from digital attacks such as hacking or information theft. Category security. Example sentence. Banking companies are investing heavily in cybersecurity to keep customer data safe. Chat. High speed temporary struct that stores frequently access data for faster loading. Category programming. Example sentence. Chats in the browser make your favorite website open faster because the images have been saved. Compiler. Definition: a program that translates all source code from a programming language into machine language that a computer can execute. Category programming. Example sentence. After writing the C++ code, run the compiler to convert it into a file that can be run. Containerization. The technique of wrapping an application together with all its requirements so that it's run consistently across different environments. Category programming. Example sentence. Using containerization, the application you create can run exactly the same on a laptop and server. CI/CD continuous integration, continuous development, and automation practice where code changes are immediately tested and deployed to user on an ongoing basis. Category programming. Simple sentence. Every time you push code to GitHub, the CI/CD process immediately tests and deploys it to the server. Database. Definition: a collection of structured data that is stored and managed systematically so that it is easy to search and update. Category database. Simple sentence. All student data and grades are stored neatly in the campus database so they are easy to find when needed. Data meaning. Definition: the process of finding hidden pattern or relationship from rich data sets. Category database. Simple sentence. From supermarket transaction data meaning it was discovered that the buyer also frequently buy beer. Data warehouse. Definition: a large storage center that collects data from various sources into one place for analysis. Category database. Simple sentence. Retail companies use data warehouse to combine sales data from all store branches. The back in the process of finding and fixing error or bug in program code. Category programming. Simple sentence. After 2 hours of the bug in, it turned out the error was just a forgetting semicolon the data scene. A field that combines statistics and programming to extract valuable insight from data. Category information system. Example sentence. Data science is used to predict house price based on location and land area. The DevOps. A combination of props between developer and operational teams to release software faster. Category programming. Sample sentence with DevOps. Companies can release new feature every week without bringing the application down. The Docker definition. A popular platform for easily building and running application containers. Category programming. Simple sentence. Docker helps run database and backend on laptop without complicated installation. Encryption definition. The process of changing data into a secret code so that it cannot be read by unauthorized parties. Category security. Example sentence. Chat application use encryption so that your chat cannot be tapped by hacker. Ethernet definition. Network technology. They use cable to connect device on a local network. Category networking. Example sentence. Playing online game is more stable using internet than Wi-Fi because there is no signal interference. Edge computing definition. How to process data close to the data source, not on the central server, so the response is faster. The category networking. Example sentence. Smart CCTV camera uses edge computing to detect suspicious people directly on camera. ETL extract, transform, load definition. The process of taking data from various sources, converting into the appropriate format, then entering it into the data warehouse. Category database. Example sentence. The ETL process run every minute to clean data before entering into the data warehouse. Firewall definition. A security system that monitor incoming and outgoing data traffic on the network. Category security. Example sentence. Firewall on campus block gaming sites but allow access to scientific journal. Framework. A framework that provides ready-to-use components to help programmers create applications faster. Category programming. Simple sentence. Using the Laravel framework, you can create a complete website with a login system in a matter of hours. Function definition. A block of code that performs a specific task and can be called many times without reverting. Category programming. Simple sentence. Create a hidden discount function so that every time you want to calculate the discount, you just call the function. Front-end definition. The visible part of a web application that can be interacted with directly by the user. Category programming. Simple sentence. Work on the front end of an online store such as creating by button and arranging product images. Gateway definition: a device that connects to network with different protocols so they can communicate. Category networking: a simple sentence. The gateway at home connect the local network to the internet so that all devices can be online. GPU, Graphic Processing Unit definition: a special processor for parallel graphic processing and mathematical calculation. Category information system: simple sentence. The GPU in gaming PC help run heavy games with smooth graphics. Git definition: a short code change tracking system allow programming to refer to previous version if there are errors. Category programming: simple sentence. Every time you finish adding a feature, commit it to GIF so you can go back to the previous version if there is an error. Graph database definition: a database that store data in the form of point and relationship suitable for complex connection data. Category database: a simple sentence. Like IDL use a graph database to store the network of connection between each user. IP gateway: a signal server that serves as the gateway for all IP requests and manages authentication and access restriction. Category programming: a simple sentence. IP gateway reject requests from users who are not logged in before forwarding them to the correct server. Hyperlink definition: text or image that can be clicked to move to another web page or part of the same page. Category information system: a simple sentence. Click the blue hyperlink to open the full article on the public you are reading. HTML hypertext markup language definition: a standard markup language for creating the basic structure of web pages. Category programming: a simple sentence. Using HTML you can create detailed paragraph and image on your first website. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol definition: communication rules that govern how the browser requests data from the web server and the server responds. Category program network: simple sentence. Browser send request thing. Definition: a mathematical function that converts data into a fixed length unique code that cannot be reversed to the original data. Category security: simple sentence. User passwords are stored in hashes from in the database so they are safe even if the database is leaked. Internet protocol: a unique address given to each device connected to the internet so that data reaches its destination correctly. Category networking: a simple sentence. Each computer has a different IP address like a home address so that router know where to send data. IoT, Internet of Things. Definition: a network of everyday physical devices that connect to the internet and can exchange data between them. Category: networking. Example sentence: the bedroom light is an IoT device because it can be turned off from your cell phone even when you are on campus. Indexing. Definition: technique from creating index structure in database to speed up the data search process. Category: database. Example sentence: after adding indexing in the name column, searching from student database can become supervised. Integration. Definition: the process of connecting several systems or applications so they can work together and share data. Category: information system. Simple sentence: integration of cashier application with warehouse which system automatically reduce stock when there is a purchase. Information system. Definition: a combination of hardware, software, data, and people working together to process information. Category: information system. The library information system regulates the process of borrowing and returning books regularly. JavaScript object notation. A lightweight text format for storing in and sending data that is easy for human to read and machine to process. Category: programming. Simple sentence: the API sends user data in JSON format such as name and age so that it can be used directly by the application. Java. Definition: a popular programming language that runs on various operating systems without modification. Category: programming. Simple sentence: mobile banking application on cell phone use Java so they can run on various cell phone brands. JavaScript. Definition: a programming language for creating interactive web pages such as user click responses or from validation. Category: programming. Simple sentence: using JavaScript make the website button change color when the mouse cursor approaches it. Kubernetes. Definition: automatic container management platform such as adding or removing container as needed. Programming. Category: programming. Simple sentence: when website traffic is high, Kubernetes automatically add new container to handle the circuit search and visitor. Key-value database. Definition: a simple database that stores key and value pair for supervised key-based search. Category: database. A simple sentence: key-value database are suitable for storing user login session because you can simple search based on the token. Latency. Definition: the delay time between a command being sent and the first response being received in communication. Category: networking. A simple sentence: high latency causes video call to delay between voice and lip movement. Load balancing. Definition: a technique for feeding request traffic to several servers so that no server is overloaded. Category networking. Sample sentence. Load balancer for website visitor to 5 different servers so that none of them go down. Linux. Definition: a free open source operating system that is popular for server because it is stable and secure. Category information system. A simple sentence. Most servers in the world is Linux because this OS is super stable. Machine learning definition. How to make a computer learning from data without manual programming. Just give it lots of sample to link the pattern. Category programming. A simple sentence. Facebook uses machine learning to recognize friend face in uploaded photo. And microservice definition. An application architecture built from a collection of small independent services. It's handling a specific function. Category programming. Simple sentence. E-commerce application use microservice so that the payment team can update the system without disturbing the product team. Middleware definition: software that acts as a bridge between application and OS or between different applications. Category information system. A simple sentence. Middleware help application can with database without needing to know to the database connection details. And metadata definition: data that provide information about other data such as file size, creation date or creator. Category database. Simple sentence. The photo you take have metadata such as the data taken, image size, and photo location. Network definition: a collection of computer and device connected to the shared data and resources such as printers or the internet. Category networking. A simple sentence. The network in computer lab connect PCs so they can print document to one printer. Node definition: a free device that connect to the network such as a computer, printer, or router. Category networking. A simple sentence. In a blockchain network, each participating computer is called a node and stores copy of the transaction data. Neural network definition: a computational model inspired by the human brain with layers of interconnected artificial neurons. Category programming. Simple sentence. Neural network is language translation application to learn from million of translation sample. Network translation definition: an action where multiple local network devices share a single public IP address to connect to the internet. Category networking. A simple sentence. Home Wi-Fi router use NAT so that 10 devices can go online using one IP from the ESP or operating operating system. Definition: software that manages computer hardware and runs application programming. Category: information system. Simple sentence: your laptop uses Windows OS, so you can run Microsoft Word and games. Object-oriented programming (OOP). Definition: a programming style that writes data and function into objects to make code more structured and easier to use. Category: programming. Simple sentence: using OOP, create a student class and they use the project to store data for 100 students at once. Out. Definition: third-party application authorization protocol access user data without knowing the user password. Category: security. Simple sentence: you can log in to the online motorcycle taxi application using a Google account thanks to Out without providing your Google password. Programming. Definition: the process of writing programming language instruction to the computer that what to do. Category: programming. A simple sentence: learn programming so you can make your own application even if it is just a simple calculator. Protocol: a set of standard rules that govern how devices communicate and change data on network. Category: networking. Simple sentence: HTTP and FTP are examples of protocols that regulate how to send data over the internet. Python. Definition: easy to learn and versatile programming language widely used for data science and AI. Category: programming. Simple sentence: Python is often used for machine learning because it has many ready-to-use libraries. Packet. Definition: small pieces of data sent by the network because large data is broken down into small packets to make it easier to send. Category: networking. Simple sentence: 10 MB file is split into thousands of packets and then sent over the internet and served on decision computer. Query. Definition: command to the database to retrieve or change certain data according to specific criteria. Category: database. A simple sentence query: select M from student where X display all name of student under years old. Queue. Definition: a data structure that uses the queue principle first in first out. Category: programming. A simple sentence: the print queue in the computer lab uses a queue so that documents that are sent first are printed first. Router. Definition: a device that connects various networks and determines the best path for sending data packets. Category: networking. A simple sentence: the router at home connects laptop, cell phone, and TV to the internet from the ISP model. REST API. API design style that uses HTTP protocol and simple command like get to retrieve data, post to send data. Category: programming. A simple sentence: using REST API, composite can retrieve calls schedule data directly into the application they create. Relational database definition: a database that stores data in the form of tables that are connected to each other using foreign keys. Category database. Simple sentence: an example of a MySQL relational database stores student data in one table, grade data in another table that are connected to each other. Application definition: the process of copying data from one database to another database for backup or to speed up data reading. Category database. Simple sentence: replication created a copy of the database on a server in another city so that if the main server goes down, the data is not lost. Server definition: a computer whose job is to serve requests from client such as sending web pages or files. Category information system. Example sentence: the YouTube website run on thousands of servers spread across various countries to serve millions of users every day. SQL structure query language. Definition: a specialized language of managing and retrieving data from relational database. Category database. Example sentence: use SQL to add new student data to the campus database. Software development life cycle: the sequential process of creating software from planning, design, creation, testing to the maintenance. Category information system. Simple sentence: the team follow SDLC so that the software is not made directly but goes through the planning service. Scalability definition: the system is ability to increase capacity when the number of users or data increases significantly. Category information system. Simple sentence: startup application must have good scalability so that user can increase from 100 to million and remain smooth. Security definition: step to protect computer system and data from threats such as hacking or virus. Security. Category security. Simple sentence: banking application security is strengthened using encryption and two-factor authentication. Definition: applies to store data temporarily or permanently such as hard disk, SSD, or cloud storage. Category information system. Example sentence: my laptop storage is all, so my experiment files are stored on Google Drive. TCP Transmission Control Protocol. Definition: protocol that ensure data retrieved, intake in sequence, low speaker are present. Category networking. Example sentence: download file using TCP file remain intact even if the internet connection is intermittent. Tokenization: the process of changing a sensitive data such as credit card number into random tokens that are worthless and securely stored. Category security. Example sentence: the payment system uses tokenization so that only the token is stored in the database, not the original card number. Throughput: the amount of data that Actually, successful and are given time unit category networking. Sample sentence is but because the network is busy and interface. TLS stands for layer security. A protocol that secure internet data communication by encrypting the data sent so that it cannot be intercepted. Category security. Sample sentence. If you see a public icon in your browser, it means the website uses TLS to secure the connection. User interface. The visual appearance of the application is and detailed by the user, such as button, text, image. Category information system. Sample sentence. The Gojek application user interface is designed to make it easy to select the service you want to ask. User experience UX. Definition user feeling and experience of interaction with the application, whether it is easy or confusion. Category information system. Sample sentence. Good user experience make user feel at home using the application because everything is comfortable and easy. URL definition. A new address for accessing internet resources such as web page or file. Category information system. Simple sentence. Type the URL www.campus.ac.id in the browser to open the official campus website. Virtual machine definition. Computer simulation run on real computer and have their own operation system. Category information system. Sample sentence. You use a virtual machine to try installing Windows on a Linux laptop because if there is an error, just delete it. Virtualization. The technique of creating virtual version of physical resource such as server or stock to use them more efficiently. Category information system. Simple sentence. Virtualization allows one physical server to run 10 virtual servers, saving power and space. Version control. Definition. The system records every change in the code file so that programmer can refer to the previous version if there is an error. Category programming. Simple sentence. With version control, a team of 5 can edit some code file simulation without worrying about everything adds another. Web server. Software running on the server accepts browser requests and they send back the request web page. Category information system. A simple sentence. The Apache web server on campus responds every time someone opens the campus network. Web application definition. Applications access via browser without installing it on the user device. Category information system. Simple sentence. Google Docs web application allow editing document directly in the browser without installing anything. Wi-Fi definition. Technology allow device to connect to the internet wirelessly using radio waves. Category networking. Simple sentence. The Wi-Fi in the boarding house is often slow when it rains, so you have to sit near the window to get a good signal. WebSocket definition. The communication protocol maintains an open browser server connection so that data is sent in both directions in real time. Category networking sample sentence. Chat application use WebSocket so the messages are sent directly to frame without referring to XML. Definition: a markup language similar to HTML but more strict, used to store and transmit clearly structured data. YAML, the human readable format for writing configuration file used space to indicate the data level. Category information system sample sentence. YAML to write Docker Compose configuration because it is native easy to understand the user. 0 to security definition. The security model offers trust anyone from inside to outside the network. Every access is a free continuous security. Category security sample sentence. With 0 trust security, you still have to log in every time you access your great data, even if you use campus Wi-Fi. Data lake definition applies to store large amount of raw data in various formats such as text, image, video without a rigid structure. Database. Category database. Simple sentence. The company data like server, blog, and social media posts in their original from before together processing. Thank you very much your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.